Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I just want to show how to scan a document in Android. The easiest way to do it is through your Google Drive app. So you just want to look for the Google Drive app. It has the triangle with green, blue, and yellow. And once you go in there, you'll see a plus icon at the bottom right corner. You just want to tap that. You have a couple of options up here. You want to look for the scan option. It has a picture of a camera right here. Just tap that. Once you do, you'll have your viewfinder open, and then you can take a picture of the document you want to scan. So once you're ready, hit the shutter. And then when you're happy with it, just hit OK or hit cancel to go back to your viewfinder. Now, as you can see, it's automatically turned it into a readable document, and you have a couple of options right below this initial scan. So you have a back key, so if you want to go back to the viewfinder, you have a color key right here where you can change how it looks, so you can actually get it to the best way that you want it to look here. If it is color, obviously you want to have it with color. You have a rotate key here, which will rotate the document, so if you have scanned it upside down or however you want, you can rotate it. And then you have a crop button, and what that'll do is it'll bring you back to the viewfinder where you took your picture, and if it cut off something, you can go in and fix it. And as you can see, it lets you get very exact. As you can see in the top right or top left corner, it does magnify it. Once you are happy with how that looks, go ahead and hit done. And then what you can do is if you want to add another document, which we're going to do here, there is a plus icon at the bottom left. Hit that plus icon, and then our viewfinder comes back up, and we have we can take another picture of another document here. So I have it in view here. I'm going to hit the shutter. And then once you're happy with it, hit OK or hit cancel to go back. And then if everything looks good to you here, if you want to adjust those items that I just showed you, or you can remove the page. As you can see, that minus icon just popped up on the second page here. Now, if you are happy with it, you can go ahead and hit the save key. And then what will happen is you can title the document, whatever you want to title it here, and then you can see it has .pdf. So I'm just going to title this test, and then I'm going to save it to my Drive folder. Now, once you've completed your PDF and you've gotten all the documents together and you want to go ahead and share it, you can go ahead and find your document by either searching for it here, or you can hit the three lines at the top left corner right here and then go to your recent items. Under recent items, you should see that document that you just scanned as your first one. Now, if you want to share this, you have a couple ways to do so. You can share it right here from the actual view with all your documents. Hit the three dots right next to it. Then you have your options there. You can also go ahead and go into the PDF. And then when you're ready to share there, at the top right corner, you have those same three dots. And once you hit that, you have all these options here. Now, the top share button right here is to share with somebody within Google Drive. So you can type in a person's email address or name, and it should come up from your contacts right there, and you can send it that way. Another way to do so is to do so via email. If you want to do that, you'll want to go down a little bit further and you'll see send a copy. Now, when you hit send a copy here, you do have your share sheet which pops up here. So you can save it to your Drive, and then you can send it to your Gmail, or you can even send it via Bluetooth. Now, this may look different on your phone because all Android phones are a little bit different. So you should have an email client though, and you can hit the Gmail icon right there. And then as you can see, it came up with the email, the compose window for a new email. You can go ahead and type in your to, your subject, your email, and then you'll see that our PDF is now attached. Now, if you want to send this via text message, a way to do that is to hit the three icons or the three dots at the top right corner. You'll see that link sharing is on. If that shows off, just tap that, and then you can turn that on or off. But if you want to share via text message, you want to leave that on. What will happen there is you can hit the copy link icon right here, and then you're sending a link to it from your Google Drive to the person you want to send it to. So you go to your text messages, go ahead and type in your to. In your text message, go ahead and paste, and then you'll see that our Google Drive link is now linked into the text message. So once that person receives it, they can just go in and they'll be able to view the document that you just uploaded. So there you go. So hopefully that helps out if you were trying to send or you're trying to scan and send a PDF document to someone with your Android phone. Now, as I said, all Android phones are a little bit different. This is an LG phone, so if you have an LG, this might look familiar to you. But use the Google Drive app, scan from there, compile your PDF, and then you can share to either email, text message, or someone else on Google Drive. Anyway, guys, hope this helped you out. If this did, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.